Welcome back at Tony's place. Let me show you what I got. So y'all know Dove, she has been a good mama to baby chicks. Well, y'all know she's gone broody on me and everything, and she would not stop being, being broody again. So she gone broody on me, and this is what I did. Check it out. Buddy, what are you doing? You're not supposed to be there. Are you checking out the babies? Huh? Come on. Let your babies out. There you go. You want to show everybody your babies, Dove? Come on. Let's go show everybody your babies. So with her being so consistent about being broody again, I went ahead and really thought about it because I really wanted to raise some baby chicks myself this time, but and I was gonna wait, but she had different plans. So I went ahead and got her 4 baby chicks. They're Maran, and they're gonna have the dark colored eggs. And so I'm looking forward to their eggs, and they're all girls. So I went ahead and got pullets, and I don't want to take no chance on her hatching any roosters this time like I did last time. So I got her some baby chicks. Yeah, well, come on, go see your mommy. Come on, go see your mommy. Come on. Come get them, baby girl. Tell your babies to come on. Come on. Come on. There they go. I had to get on the other side for them to go out. God, it is so humid out here. It's been raining like crazy. Yes. You're such a good mama. Yes, you are. So I'm going to let them get used to a new area. Let me show you what I've done to keep them safe out here. Since the other chicken run I turned into a garden area, and it's all damaged anyway. So I'm going to show you what I've done just for temporary until they get big enough that they, integrate with the other chickens. But this right now at least keeps them safe. I have been keeping her in the chicken coop in here and switch them out when the bad weather was over here. I put them in this one. And then when other days I would put them in this one right here. So I don't know if you can see this one right here. But yes, for right now, at least it gives her an area to get out of this muddy area over there. I'm trying to keep it pretty, dry, but it's just really hard to do. But yeah, she seems pretty happy, and the baby seems pretty happy too. This little one is not wanting to come out right there, but she'll be okay. She will check on her babies. So this was the old chicken run right here that turned into the garden, and right here, so I used those stakes I used in the garden last year for my tomatoes and everything, and I went ahead and got this green netting, and this is, like I said, it's just temporary just to keep her safe in here, and she has plenty of room to move around with her babies, and she can at least get out of here and get some fresh air and get out of that mud. So she seems pretty happy, and hopefully they cannot get out. You better not be getting out, Missy. Because if you're going to get out, you're going to be in trouble. Mama, keep your babies in here, okay? So let me show you something else that's just happened this week, and yeah, I'm not tickled about this at all. Let me move my chair over. Let me show you. Look at that. Yep, you guessed it. Another broody mama. This is Peanut, and this is how you know a chicken is broody. So she don't like it when you mess with her, and I've been taking her out and everything. I'm trying to break her, and all the other girls are doing a good job laying eggs. And there's Carmel's sister, but yes, Miss Peanut went gone broody on me. Come on, you need to get out. Come on, you need to get out. I'm gonna put you outside, okay? Yeah, you don't need to be in here. No, you don't need to be in there. I'm not gonna give you any babies. Dove is enough. I know, but we don't have room for more babies. And I'm not gonna let you hatch any eggs because we don't know what we're gonna get. All fluffed up. Let me see. Come on, let's get you honey out of there. She's not happy. Look at her. She's not happy. Not happy at all. Or I'm going to put you with the other ones. Yeah, I'm going to put you with the other chickens so you can get out of here, okay? I know. You don't want to be, but it's not going to be good for you being on the eggs, and you need to cool down, okay? I know. See, you're going to go hang out with your sister and cool down a little bit. Come on, girl. Go put you in a puddle over there. Maybe that will cool you down. Since we got so much rain. Alright, here we go. I'm going to put you in mud. And cool you down. She's not happy. I know. What are you going to do? You can get a sip of water while you at it? Yeah? I know. Hi, Prissy. What's you doing, girlfriend? My little hunter, you? Well, don't go get in the mud, okay? Come here. Come over here. Come on. Over here. Come on over. You can jump. Yeah. You're such a sweet girl. Alrighty. Come on. Alright. Don't go back in the nesting box, okay? Henry, keep her out, okay, buddy? It's pretty hot out here. Yes, it is. Nice, cool space you all got over here. Yep. Nice, cool spot. Yep. Well, I'll leave you all hanging, okay? Cool down and take a break. I'll see you in a bit. I'll show you the garden while I'm here. And it's a little bit overgrown. Like I said, I don't have a big garden this year, but it's a little one. But at least I can get a little bit things out of here for the chickens and for myself. So let me show you. So the tomatoes are doing real good. And this box has no chance because the cats and the chickens. So I just gave up pretty much on it. And the peppermint and the tomatoes are doing real good. And I have okra in the middle right here. And then I got radish right here. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I got radish. I already actually pulled some this morning. Let me see if I can get this out to show y'all. Here you go. And I got some more in. The carrots are coming up. But the grass is kind of taking over, so I'm going to have to come in here and weed it. But see all this right here? It's my carrots. And this hot mess right here is just taking over. And let's see. My lettuce, I'm pretty much give up on because y'all can see it's just too hot for lettuce. It's still coming out, but it's not looking too good. So I'm probably going to lose that. I'll be pulling them out and give them to Dove and her baby. So they seem to like it. But in my corn that I planted right here is doing actually pretty good. And this was the different kind of colored corn. So we'll see how this is going to happen. And I still got to move that fire ring back into the chicken coop and make my dust bath. I moved all the I moved all the hay over here, and I'm going to spread all that out over here. And that's still on the to-do list. And but my zinnias are blooming, and look at these sunflowers, so huge. But look who's hiding under here. What are you doing? Hi, and there's a Merlin. Hi, Mummer. Hi, Merly. Y'all hanging out? Hanging out with the chickens. All right, y'all hang out, okay? And they're all coming back in. But let me show y'all the chicken run. And the loofahs and the beans are growing really good. I don't know if y'all can see from hanging out right there. Look at that. They're looking so cool. And I gotta go in here and do some weed eating myself again. Look at that. And it's starting to do something right here. So I'm going to be getting some beans here soon. But yes, they are doing wonderful. And my other stuff right here too. And the dill and the rosemary are doing pretty okay. And then the squash right here, starting to have blooms right here. So I'm going to be getting some squash here soon. But I think, yes, putting the garden in here actually worked really good, because they at least can grow in here and the chickens are not going to bother them. So yes, happy. So I hope you enjoyed this little video and let you know what's going on here. The garden's coming along at the farm, and I just finished filling up the raised boxes, and so they're looking real good, and I'm going to start hopefully growing my garden over there. But I don't expect a big harvest. Chris, I don't expect a big harvest this year, but hopefully if I can get something out of it, I'll be happy. These girls are calling him. He cracks me up. Check this out. The cats are hiding here. And the chickens. But yeah, don't the zinnias look pretty? And I didn't do nothing to these right here. These are just the seeds that dropped on the ground. And they came up by themselves. I didn't even put anything on here because I was afraid they're not going to make it anyway. So, but yeah, I mean, I think I'm just going to leave about this year and not put anything else in here and save my seeds for next year. Or for the farm at least. So, but yes, it looks good. I like it. I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video, and I hope you have a blessed day. I will see y'all next video. God bless y'all. Bye.